I'm going to be going over the L-1 platform and a few of its features. Basically, this is the, here's a hand for size comparison. This is the forearm board. That's going to go right where watch would go, and right now it's big and bulky, but after I'm done testing it and making sure everything works right and all that, this will be integrated right on the surface there with contact pins on the top. There's a spot for the microphone that will be on in the next version. It's got indicator LEDs. I'm using one of them right now, and it's got a small cell phone vibrator for alerts, for alarms or anything that you would need to get an alert about. So there's a vibrate motor on it, the Arduino Nano, and that just goes to a computer USB. But in the next version, the L2 platform, probably there's going to be a Bluetooth connection, so you can link up to your phone, tablet, or computer through that. And I've got two I2C ports here, which go to the two hand sensors, which are on just crude little metal rings right now. Each of these has a triple axis accelerometer and gyroscope on it, and they also read the temperature out. So right now I have it a program set up that uses the gyro function, or the gyro settings sensors, to send it streams serial data to the computer, and the computer Java program receives all these strings, which are the for the 69 and 68 address. This is the 69 and that's the 68, and it gets for the gyroscope the XYZ, and then the accelerometer XYZ, and then the temperature, and then the address of the I2C address of each finger. So here's one from one finger, and that's all the data from the other finger. Now I'm going to go ahead and turn it on and show you what it looks like with it streaming. Alright, so I'm going to run the project, and it's starting all the stuff, and boom, it's streaming all of that, and it streams pretty quickly. So now what we're going to do is, now my show you my hand is actually in control now. When I'm finished with this program, I'm going to add a nice GUI to it, which is a graphical user interface, where there's a nice menu with buttons and settings and all that. But right now I'm just making it work. So I've got Counter-Strike up, and I'll show you, well, you can see right now the actual, and when you click you can see how it does all that different stuff. So now I'm going to actually show you with Counter-Strike what it can do. This is with a where am I? This is with a machine gun, so you don't have to, you can click individually, or you can just hold it down. So just then we can switch. I don't have a scroll feature on here yet, but with the pistols, pretty much the same. So here we go. You can do single shots. You know, holding it pretty much does nothing, but you can look around. It's pretty smooth with the looking now. I'm happy for right now with that. I'll show you with a I guess with a knife. Here's the knife. So that's pretty much the game right there. Now there is when you click down, there is a small pause, as you can see. But I made that to where you can more easily double click files. In the game mode, which will be in the settings, you'll be able to turn that pause off to where it'll be a continuous movement as you shoot, but that'll only be for game mode. So that's the demo for right now.